Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust forward edge headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is properly set, as this affects headlight aim. Use painter's tape to mark the horizontal and vertical centers of your headlights on the wall. This setup provides a clear reference for precise adjustments. Now, let's find the adjustment points. Open your hood and look at the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find two adjustment screws. One screw controls the vertical aim, usually located on the top of the assembly. The other screw manages the horizontal aim, often found on the side. A Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit is usually needed. With the adjustment screws located, let's fine-tune the vertical aim. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to move the headlight beam up or down. For most vehicles, the top of the low beam's brightest part should align with or be slightly below your marked center line on the wall. Adjust one headlight completely before moving to the other for accuracy. Finally, adjust the horizontal aim. Turn the horizontal screw to shift the beam left or right. The brightest part of the low beam should be centered on the vertical mark you made earlier. After adjusting both headlights, take your forward edge for a test drive on a dark road to confirm proper illumination and ensure they don't blind oncoming drivers. Enjoy your improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.